And welcome back to another day in the 100 days graphic design challenge. Today's design is a very simple design, so I already opened up my canvas. I'm using 1024 by 1024 pixels. The next thing I'm going to do is to import all the resources I'll be using for this design. This and this and this. I'll drag it into my Photoshop like this. I'll hit enter. So I already blended this image and I've exported it as a PNG file, and I've also edited it using my camera raw filter. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to add text. I'm going to write hello there. So I'm just going to reduce this. I head over to my properties and then I'll reduce this here. So I'm going to head over to this place and I'm going to change it. I'll click here, then I'll pick this. I'll change the color to black. Okay, I'll drop my tool, then I'll bring it to this place. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to add my text. I'm going to type. I'll reduce this and I'm going to type the struggle. I'll hit enter. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it this way. Then I'll change the font. I'll click here and I'll look for a font. Let's see this one. Okay, so I'm just going to type Nagasaki. Then I will just increase this. I will take it, enter. I will just reduce this. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it in caps lock. I'll just leave it this way. Let's see, it's not that visible, so I'll just put it back to this. I think it's more visible, then I'll leave it here. Then I'm just going to bring in, I'll use my Alt key and I will write continuous like this, and then I'm just going to increase this. I'll bring this here and then I'll take this up and over to my layers and I'll click on this, Ctrl T, and I'm just going to take it up here, enter. Then this one, I'll just bring it to this place and increase it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to add a motion blur to this image. I'll just go to my filter and I'll click blur and I'm going to choose motion blur. Then I'm going to turn it to be the size, the way this is, this way. I'll increase it a bit I'll hit OK. So I'm just going to click on this and then I'll use my brush tool. I'm going to erase this just to get on the paper like this, and then the border. So after that, I'm just going to drop my tool. Then the last thing I'm going to do is to bring in a background. I'll bring in this background. I'll drag it to Photoshop. I'll paste it here. I'll bring it up like this. I want to clip it on only the struggle, so I'll create clipping mask like this. Next thing I'm going to do is to double click on this, and then I'm going to add a drop shadow. Let's see. Okay, this is okay. Let's see. Okay, distance is 6. Okay, then the spread, this is okay. Not too much. The size as well. Then after that, I'm going to click OK. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to click my Shift Ctrl Alt E. You can still add more things. If you want to add anything here, you can still add, but I'm just going to stop it here, and then I'll click Shift Ctrl Alt E to screenshot. I'm going to screenshot it, and I'll head over to my filter, and I'll head over to camera raw filter like this, and then I'm just going to increase the texture, the contrast, the vibrance, the haze, and the clarity. After that, I'm just going to click OK. Then I'll head to filter, and I'm going to add noise, not too much. OK, bit. Then I'll click OK. So with that, we have come to the end of this design. I'll just click my Shift Ctrl S to save, and I'll see you in the next design.